Non-specific time expressions. English, the day before yesterday, ototoy. Yesterday, kino. Today, kyo. Tomorrow, ashta. The day after tomorrow, asate. Every day, mainichi. Morning, asa. This morning, kesa. This evening or tonight, konban. Every morning, mayasa. Every night, maiban. Last week, senshu. This week, konshu. Next week, raishu. Last month, sengetsu. This month, kongetsu. Next month, raigetsu. Last year, kyonen. This year, kotoshi. Next year, rainen. Every week, maishu. Every month, maitsuki. Every year, maitoshi. Class, jogyo. Meeting, kaigi. Work, shigoto. Deadline, shimekiri. Vacation, yasumi. Break or rest, kyokei. Birthday, otanjobi. Schedule, yote. Project, porojekoto. Party, pati. Exam, shiken. Christmas, korimasu. Now, ima. Next, chugi. First, masu. Noon, hiro. Weekend, shumatsu. Weekday, heijitsu. Time and transportation. International student, Ryugakusei. Student, seito. Classmate, kuramaseito. Kurasumeito. Group, gurupuru. Member, menba. Vehicle, norimono. Motorcycle, baiku. Bicycle, jitensha. Car, kuruma. Taxi, takoshi. Bus. Train, densha. Subway, chikatetsu. Bullet train, shinkansen. Ship or boat, fune. Airplane, hikoki. On foot or by walking, aruite. Part-time job, arubaito. Training, toreningu. Seminar, semi. Conversation, kaiwa. Assignment, shokodai. Problem, Monday. Round trip, oifuku. One way, katamichi. Span of time, 5 minutes, gofun. 30 minutes, sanjupunkan. 1 hour, ichijikan. 3 hours, sanjikan. 2.5 hours, nijikanhan. 1 day, ichinichikan. 10 days, tukakan. 1 week, ishukan. 2 weeks, nishukan. 1 month, ikagetsukan. 4 months, yonkagetsukan. 1 year, ichinenkan. 3 years, sanenkan. Adjectives. English, hot, romaji, atsui. Cool, suzushi. Delicious, oishi. Expensive and high, takai. Cheap and expensive, yasui. Warm, atatakai. Spacious, hiroi. Small, chisai. Good, i. Fast, hayai. Slow, osoy. Cold things, tsumetai. New, atarashi. Old, furui. Spicy, karai. Sweet, amai. Few, sokonai. Many, oi. Dark, korai. Bright, akarui. Fun, bright, akarui. Fun, enjoyable, tanoshi. Noisy, urusai. Adjective. English, quiet, romaji, shizuka. Clean and beautiful, kirei. Famous, yumei. Polite, teinei. Kind, shinsetsu. Convenient, benri. Lovely and nice, suteki. lively, nigiyaka, free, not busy, hima, serious, earnest, majime, handsome, handsamu, inconvenient, uben, strong, durable, jobu, tough, difficult, taihen, easy, simple, kantan. Verbs: English, eat, ramaji, tabimaso, drink, namimaso, read, yamimas, write, kakimas, listen, kikimas, speak and talk, hanashimas, watch or see, mimas, buy, kaimas, go, ikimas, wake up, okimas, sleep, nemas, rest, yasumimas, start, haijimimas, finish, owarimas, work, shigotoshimas, cook or make, chokurimas, call, then washimas, study, benkyoshimas.